So here's how to use the Amazon Seller Toolkit. It has a lot of great features as of July 30th, 2026, and there's going to be more features coming. So starting with your dashboard, it's going to show your suppliers, your active suppliers, your open purchase orders, your samples in progress, your pipeline, and all the different tools. So we have the Supplier CRM. You can go here to add suppliers. You can do AI research when you get the AI credits and the AI actions. You can also import suppliers from an existing Excel sheet. Besides that, you also have the profit and cost of goods calculator. So you can track your margins and your costs. So you can sync your products from Amazon. It's going to tell you your revenue, your fees, your net profit based off of your products that you purchase and your cost of goods. And it also has a shipping calculator. So basically what you can do is you can put an ASIN in here, put how many units you're sending, how many units per box, what the unit weight is, and it's going to calculate all of that for you. So you can know exactly how much it's going to cost to ship your products to Amazon. We also have the website scraper. So you can basically, put a supplier website URL and it will scrape the products for you. There's also a supplier vetting AI background check. This is with AI credits. And you basically put the supplier's name, you put the website, and it will run a check for you. Besides that, you also have the review analyzer. So it gives you the best variation and the insights. You basically put the Amazon URL here and it will analyze it for you. And you also have the AI assistant where you can ask, questions. It's basically, an AI tool that helps you with selling on Amazon. So hope that was helpful.